Hi everyone, this is Sindhu, Assistant Professor, Department of Psychology from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So in this video, we are going to see what is stress, immunity and disease. In previous videos, we have discussed what is stress and types of stress, two important types of stress and model of stress, that is how immunity is affected because of stress, how stress is a causes of a leading cause for affecting immune system and that creates illness. Okay, so we have seen the two major type. One is chronic process and other one is acute process. In previous video, we discussed about what is chronic process of affecting immune system because of stress. Okay. In this video, we are going to see the acute process. So, what is the acute process and how that acute process affect our immune system and that leads to illness. Shall we see? Okay. So acute stress and illness. These are some symptoms. Okay. These are some symptoms that create stress and that stress will leads to illness. Okay. Shall we see what are all the symptoms? First one is anxiety. So what is anxiety? A unrealistic fear. It is a type of fear and it is very natural one, and that is a first symptom for stress for acute period. So first of all, acute period is for short time. So acute stay process is always for short period. That is, it can lead to a day, from a week, and even till a month. That's all. A short period of time is called as acute period process. So in that acute stress symptoms, first is anxiety. The other one is low mood. So because of stress, our mood will have some fluctuation and we have some mood swings. Okay, so that low level of mood also is a symptom for acute stress. The other one is irritability. We used to get more irritation and we used to get more irritation, at the same time fluctuation in our mood. Because of irritability, we have fluctuations in mood. Okay, next, poor sleeping schedule. Okay, because of this acute stress, we feel very less sleep. We get only very less sleep and we can't sleep at a right time. Okay, many disturbance will be occurring in our mind and it will not allow us to sleep. So this is a major symptom for stress. Next is difficulty in concentration. So concentrating is very important for any work we do. Okay, but during our stress time, that is acute period of stress time, we find very difficult to concentrate on something because stress is bothering us a lot. So our concentration is automatically gets lower. Next, it will return to some bad dreams too. Okay, even we get a recurrent dream which affect our mood easily. Okay, next is avoidance. We automatically feel everyone are avoiding us, or we used to avoid everyone around us. Okay, so this avoidance symptom is also and plays an important role. We have seen anxiety, low mood, irritability, poor sleep schedule, difficulty in concentration, and recurrent dreams. That can be any dreams, but recurrent dream, and avoidance. The recurrent dream is like dreaming some unwanted things which we should, like we are fear of facing. Okay, that would comes as a recurrent dream. And Next is restless behavior. We feel automatically because of avoidance, difficulties in moods, irritation, everything leads to uh, like restless behavior. We feel restless, hopeless, worthless, etc. Okay, so we feel like nothing going to help us, and very emotional, that is very sensitive. We used to react for any sort of some emotions. Okay, we will be more sensitive, and we will be more emotional. At times we used to cry, and that crying, we don't know like why this crying is happens. And nausea. Nausea is and also an another symptoms, getting vomit, or it makes like feeling of throwing off. Okay, then headache, because of sleeplessness, mood swing, irritability, it leads to headache, heavy headache, and breathing difficulties at times. Because of high palpitation, anxiety, we may get breathing difficulty too, and fatigue. On the whole, the hormonal support is very low, and we undergoes low every level thing in the lack of level, like low mood, low in sleep, and everything is difficult. So that leads to fatigue. Okay, it automatically weaken our hormones and as well as physical strength. So that will lead to excessive worrying. Okay, so these are all the symptoms of acute stress. Thank you.